I'm lightning, Molly, throwing lightning bolts. Hit a headshot, they call me Daddy Stinger, no jokes.
Hello YouTube, my name is Light Malloy, and today we are going to do something different. As you see, I'm drawing. Now normally, I can't draw, but what I have been doing the last probably year is I have been watching YouTube videos on how to draw. And as you see, I'm drawing Squidward. Now I can't draw, so what do? I go to YouTube and I type in whatever I want to draw. In this scenario, I'm drawing how to draw Squidward. And usually, I pick the easiest one I can find because usually they have kids in it. And if kids can draw it, then I can draw it. So this took me about 16 minutes to draw, and I speed up the footage and I show you. I think anybody could learn how to draw this way. Now it's not like typical drawing, like, oh yeah, I'm just doodling whatever. I don't know how to draw and I don't know how to doodle, but I think this is a good way to get around it. As a kid, I never learned how to draw. You know, as a kid, there's other things more important, like how to spell and other stuff, and then the whole drawing never really worked. You know, the whole holding the pencil, do this way, follow. Couldn't ever really like sit down and like be still and like just draw. I needed like move and stuff. And even like, I don't know, as an adult, it is kind of like hard to just sit down and focus like that drawing, but it is something that I do kind of enjoy. It's okay. It's not my favorite. There's other ways I would like to do, like take photos and do other stuff and like write, but it's to the point where like I think anybody could do it. And that was proof. Do I want to learn how to doodle? Probably not. But I also think like drawing's cool, but like I like coloring. But again, I don't know. I don't like coloring books. I think it's the fact that I drew it, I color it, I take like, I don't know, pride in it. Also able to like watch YouTube and learn other skills, you know, like computers, and do other effects and After Effects and like Premiere. I guess this is why I'm making this video, because I was able to draw this and it looks pretty good and I want to pass the information on. I will leave in the description who I watched to draw this. You know, give them a like and a comment and subscribe if you want to do that. And yeah, maybe we'll try again. Maybe we'll make this a whole YouTube series. I don't know. We'll go with the flow. So as we finish the drawing, we're gonna play some easy music by Stream Beats and have some chill drawing time. Maybe I'll show you how I color and stuff. Comment below if you like coloring or whatever, drawing or whatever.